Welcome to the Wolver channel, where crypto dreams become reality. This is not another tutorial. This is your moment. Right here, right now, you will create your own token on any blockchain. No experience, no excuses. Follow these steps and let's make you a crypto creator today. Step 1. Remix.eth, your launchpad. Open your browser. Go to remix.eth. This is where your journey begins. Step 2. Create your token file. The foundation, click New File. Name it mytoken.sol. Yes, the .sol matters. This file will hold your token's destiny. Step 3. Paste your contract code, the blueprint. Insert your smart contract code. Don't have one? No problem. Message me token code on Telegram, link below, and I'll send you battle-ready code instantly. Step 4. Compile it. Turn code into power. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab. Select the right version. Hit Compile. If you see green, you're winning. Step 5. Deploy. Your token goes live. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust, etc. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, your call. Set gas fee. Copy into Wave value. Enter token details. Name. Make it unforgettable. So total supply. How much will exist? Symbol. Your token sticker. Hit deploy. Final step. Own your creation. Copy the contract address. Go to your wallet. Import token. Paste. Done. You are now a crypto creator. If this helped you, like this video. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. Need the code? Message me token code on Telegram now. The future belongs to those who build. Start building.